All right, you guys, so it's a small package there, the brown one, and then we have this long package right here. So let's go with the long one first. I'm gonna kind of pre-open it and then we'll get into what it is. All right, you guys, so I took kind of cut the tape along this corner here. So let me open it and see what it looks like here. I know, wow, a strong smell coming from this box. Smell like bananas. And as you guys can see right there, that is oh yeah, okay, so it's a lot of tape in here. Let me cut that first before I get to what we're looking at in this box. So hold tight. All right, my friends, so we have two plants here today, and this one on the left is a African Rhino horn plantain, and the one on the right is a Florida native, I read, and that's a cocoa plum. Basically, this is a sucker. So once I get it in some dirt, it should start pushing out new leaves from the top. This is a very nice small plant, but you can see it has new growth at the top. And by the way, this shipment came from Puerto Rico. I will put the seller's name in the description box. I got these two plants from him on Etsy. I also got the breadfruit from him also last year during the summer. He has very good items. The cocoa plum produces small round fruit, and I've read when you bite into it, it tastes like coconut. So I guess hence the name cocoa plum, right? So it tastes like coconut. So, and you can keep this as a bush, but the plantain is very long. I guess that's why, hence the name Rhino horn. I think I seen online it said between 12 and 24 inches long. So yeah, that's very long compared to the regular plantain that you see in the store. So let's look into the other package. This one is also from Etsy, from a seller in Mount Dora, Florida. So they're in Florida. Let me go ahead and open this. Hold tight. Okay, so the company name on Etsy is SeedTheStars. And here's their card that they also put in this package. Ryan and Kelly, that's what it says on here. And their Etsy website is at the bottom. So I got pineapple ground cherry, aka Cape gooseberry. So I got some seeds, and they gave me a free pack of seeds, and these are Egyptian spinach. You can see there at the top left. So later on this year, hopefully I can plant these out, or sometime during the late summer, and see how they come out. I'm not sure when I'm going to plant them, but I just know I wanted to have this, especially the Cape gooseberry. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend.